Welcome. Today, we will walk you through how to send a video with text on Messenger group on your PC with the latest updates. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. To begin, open messenger.com on your web browser. Simply type in the URL and hit enter to access Messenger on your PC. Step 2. Open any group on Messenger that you want to share the video with. Click on the group chat to enter the conversation with your group members. Step 3. Look for the photo and video icon at the bottom of the chat window, positioned next to the text box. If you do not see these options, click on the plus symbol next to the text box to reveal more options for sharing media. Step 4. Select the video you wish to send by clicking on it. Then, click on the Open button to attach the video to your message within the group chat. Step 5. Write the note or message you want to include along with the video. Once you have written your message, click on the Send button or press Enter on your keyboard to send the message to the Messenger group. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to send a video with text on Messenger group on PC. Keep your group interactions lively, express your creativity, and strengthen your connections with your group members through engaging videos and messages. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Discover the new features and functionalities of Messenger group chats for a more interactive and connected group messaging experience.